How to buy Vanguard ETFs. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can buy Vanguard ETFs. So let's get started. Before we get into the video, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Trading and investing in ETF involve high degree of risk and whether you afford to lose your money or not. So make sure to get all the information on ETFs and then start investing. So that being said, let's get into the video. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to investor.vanguard.com and you will land on this platform right here. Vanguard is really famous for its ETFs and we can find all of the funds right here, mutual funds, index fund. And when it comes to ETFs, I will show you how to buy ETFs with Vanguard. If you do not have any idea about ETFs, well, ETF means exchange traded fund. It is a type of fund that holds a basket of securities, such as stocks, and that generally track an underlying index because there are multiple of scribes within an ETF. So it is actually one of the very famous option among the investors. So now you might be wondering, you are looking to buy Vanguard ETFs and you don't know how to use Vanguard and you don't seem to find the option to buy Vanguard. So don't worry, I'm here to help. So once you go to investor.vanguard.com, you will land on this platform right here. So this platform is actually the official site for Vanguard. So what you have to do is you will simply go right here to our sites and then you can go to global sites. That's what I want you to do first, to know that if Vanguard is available in your country or not, and then you will also be able to get access to the local website of your country, and then you will be able to sign up for that. So when it comes to country, we have Americas, and in America we have Canada, Mexico and United States. Then we have Asia and Pacific, and we have Australia in it for some reason, and then we have Hong Kong and China. Then we have Europe, and in Europe we have Italy, we have Denmark, we have United Kingdom, we have Norway and other countries. You can check them out right here. We have Spain, we have France and Austria as well. So you can see right here that these are the different countries in which Vanguard is available. Now you will simply click on any of the country. Let's say you are in United Kingdom, click right here and then you will see this personal investor and professional investor. So as a beginner, I want you to go to personal investor. We don't want to go to professional because we're not professionals. We are beginning and we just want to buy ETFs. So you will simply go to personal investor and then it will take you to personal investor option of Vanguard, your own website where we will be able to sign up. So right now I am on personal investor, you can see right here, and if I click right here, we have a drop down menu with all of the options. We have personal investor, we have financial advisors, we have small business online. So you will get all of the options right here if in case you're wondering. So we will get non-US investors right here, my plan manager. So you are here on my personal investor option on Vanguard. So the first step is going to be the signing up process, or you can simply log in. To open an account, you will simply click right here and then you will be able to open your account with Vanguard. So we have opened a new account. I will simply click right here. We also have the option to move assets from another account if you have. So how will you initially fund your new account? If it's an investment account transfer, then you will select right here. If it's a bank transfer, you will simply click in here, and then we will simply check all the details. So you have to answer different questions, you have to add information in order to sign up, and then eventually you actually sign up with your email address and your password. You don't have to add much information, but you will simply see right here. Now they're just reviewing my account because I have added bank transfer. I can now continue and then I will be able to get my account in just 3 minutes. So that is how you get your own account. So once you have your account, let me show you how you will be able to find the ETFs. So what I want you to do is you will simply go to what we offer right now when your account is opening. Let me show you how we buy ETFs. So in investment products we have ETFs. Let's open up ETFs and let me show you how we buy ETFs in Vanguard. So you can see right here, ETFs, exchange traded funds, view all Vanguard ETFs. click right here, and it will open up all the options for us, the list of Vanguard ETFs available, and then I will show you how we buy it. So you can see right here we have all products in here. So in Vanguard we have mutual funds, we have 5 to 9 portfolios, and then we have ETFs. So if I scroll down, then you will be able to find all of the products on Vanguard. You can see right here. So how it works, this is the list, right? This is the fund name. Then we have asset class, we have risk, and then we have expense ratio given as well. And then we can also compare different ETFs and different funds with each other to kind of like get an idea that which one is better for us. So this is actually a pretty good option that we're getting on Vanguard. So now if I want to buy any of the funds, if I want to buy any of the index or portfolio, then what I will do is I will simply click on buy, and then I will be able to do. So let me go ahead and find something. So we have consumer staple ETFs, VDC. Let's say I want to buy this one. I will simply click right here on buy option, and now let's check out how we buy the ETFs. So once you click on buy, then it's super simple. You have to add your information. When you have signed up, you will have transfer funds from your bank or from your rollover. So that's it. You simply add your information, and you check out with your deposit that you have added to your account. This was the overview. If I go to performance, I will be able to check more into that what is the actual performance of different funds and different portfolios. So you can see right here we have SEC yield given. This is the YTD. Then we have average annual return. So you can check 1 year, 5 year, 10 year, and then we have since inception. What is the percentage? So you can see right here, and then you will be able to check out all the percentages, the yield for all of the ETFs before buying. Then we also have the price right here. Of course, when you will be buying different ETFs, make sure to check out the prices, to check out their yield, everything. Again, I am not a financial advisor, and I'm not suggesting you to go for any of the funds and ETFs or anything. I'm just telling you how to use this platform and how you buy it. So it depends on you. You need to do all the search by yourself. You have to get all the information and then start buying ETFs. So this is the minimum investment that you can do. Most of the time it's $3,000 that I have noticed on Vanguard. It is going to be $3,000, but sometimes it's way more than that as well. Then we have the price given. Of course the price changes, it will be different at the time of making this video. You can see right here we have all the prices given. Then we have unit price also for some of them, and then we also have the change price, like what is the change in price, what is the percentage of the change that we're having in the price. So you will get all the options right here. And then we have the buy option that will allow us to buy the ETFs. We also have different options right here. You can see right here we have risk scale, we have investment minimum. So these are the filters that you can actually go ahead and search for, and then you will be able to land on the right ETFs for you, and then you will be able to invest in them, you will be able to buy them and start investing and getting your profit and making money. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to buy Vanguard ETFs. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.